compound interest. We use this formula, a equals p, parentheses 1 plus r over n equals n to the power of n times t. A is the amount after all this equation has been done. This is the starting amount. Then you just the regular 1. That would be the rate, as in your interest rate, over how many years it could be compounded. It could be compounded quarterly, once a year, 10 times, and then that would be once again the same, and then times how many years it was in the bank. So number 1, an initial deposit of $10,000 earns 8% interest, compounded quarterly. So we know a quarter is 1/4. How much will be in the account in 10 years? So we don't know A, but we do know P, which is 10,000, because that's the initial deposit. Our interest is 8%, which we want to use a decimal of 0.08. And then it's compounded quarterly, which would just be 1/4, and for 10 years. So let's plug it into the formula. 10,000, 1 plus the interest rate, since it's compounded quarterly, just a 4, times 4 to the 10th, which would give you $22,080.40. Number 2. Okay. If $1 had been invested on July 4, 1776 at 5% interest, compounded annually, which means 1, what would it be worth in July 24, 2076? So 2076 minus 1776 is 300. So we do not know our initial amount, but we do know how much we had, and it was $1. Our interest rate is 5%, and you want to put that into decimal form, which would be 0.05. And it's compounded annually, which means once a year, and it's 300 years. So we use this formula, since we have $1, so then parentheses 1 plus the rate divided by the annual, compounded annually, times the power of 1 times 300. And you get 2,202,773 and 996 and 13 cents.